Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute miniature paper quilling fridge magnet. I will show you how to make this very beautiful quilling kettle along with the teacup which is filled with tea and these super teeny mini cookies. Isn't it looking very beautiful? So you can decorate your fridge or metal almirah using this magnet. So without any further delay, let's get started. First I'm starting with making the kettle, and here I'm taking total 9 strips of 3 mm white color and making one big tight coil. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. So the tight coil is ready. Now I'm taking my quilling mold and making dome shape. Then opening this dome little bit more using my fingers like this. Then tapping exactly in the center using backside of the pen to make the flat base. Then here I am taking my pen and wrapping total 7 strips of white color 3 mm around this and making one big ring. So ring is ready. Making dome for this ring as well using quilling mold. Then adding glue inside both the domes, spreading it using brush and connecting with each other. Like this, allow it to dry completely. Then to make the neck for the kettle, I am taking one strip of white color 3 mm and again making one ring using pen. Sticking this ring on top of the kettle. Like this. Then again I am taking one strip of 3 mm white color, dividing it in 4 equal parts, folding it from the center, the whole bunch, and then twisting it using pointed tweezer in one direction. Here I am making the handle for the kettle. so it should look like S shape. Then I'm just sticking the handle with the kettle like this. Then I'm starting with making the cup. So here I have already prepared two tight coil. One is made using 4 strips of 3 mm white color and other one is made using 7 strips of 3 mm white color. Now I am shaping both the designs. First I am making the cup using small coil and then making the plate. We don't need to make a deeper dome for the plate, just little bit of the depth. Then adding glue inside both. Then again I'm taking my pen and making one ring to create the handle of the cup. Add glue on top of the ring and allow it to dry. The ring is completely dried. Now I'm just cutting this ring from the center. And we need only half part of this to create the cup handle or cup ear. Now add little glue and stick this with the cup. Then I'm starting with coloring my kettle using off-white color chalk paint. Coloring the handle using aqua blue color. Similarly, I have colored the cup and plate using same color combination. Now, here I am taking this beautiful deco transfer sheet by Little Birdie called Rosy Garden, and I have already cut small pieces of this transfer, and I am going to add these pieces to decorate my kettle and the cup. So just remove the top liner, stick it on the base, apply water. Similarly, adding one more pattern on back side. Then peeling out the paper slowly, and the beautiful design is printed on the kettle. It's looking absolutely amazing. Now, here I have prepared two domes. One is made using 2 strips and other one is made using 3 strips. These are two domes which is filled with glue. I am connecting both the domes with each other. And then on the top I am adding one pearl. Here I am making the lid for the kettle. Then I am taking one strip of white color 3 mm making one cone shape for the nozzle of the kettle from which our tea will come, just twisting it little bit and filling it with the glue. So I have already colored the lid and the nozzle with the same color combination, and then I am just attaching the lid on top of the kettle and also the nozzle. So the kettle is completely ready. Now I am decorating my cup as well using the transfer sheet. And sticking my cup on top of the plate. So cup plate is also ready. Now to make tea, I am taking 4 strips of tea color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Add glue on top of this tight coil. And then I am just sticking this tight coil inside the cup so that it will look like that cup is filled with the tea. Like this, it's looking super cute. Then here I am taking one ice cream stick. I have marked from left side on 4 centimeters and I am just cutting it using scissors. Similarly, I have cut one more ice cream stick. Now I am just joining both the sticks with each other. Then here I have taken 2 more pieces which I cut from one stick only. I have just divided this in half and now I am sticking these 2 sticks also with each other. So this is done. Now just to give little more support to this, I am adding one more small piece of ice cream stick on back side of both the shapes. Then I am attaching both the pieces with each other using B6000 glue. Hold it for some time like this. Then it's dried and I am coloring it using light pink chalk paint. Also I am attaching one small piece of broad ice cream stick on top of this, which is also colored using same pink chalk paint. And base is ready. Then here I have prepared one more plate which is made using 4 strips and I have colored it with same color combination. It is for the cookie plate, and now I will show you how to make cookies. So here I am taking half strip of brown color. I have just cut my 3 mm strip from center to make thin strip. I am making one tight coil. So in total I have prepared 4 cookies and I am sticking these cookies on top of the plate. And this is done. Then everything is ready and it's time to assemble all the things. So first I am sticking my cookie plate on top. Then I will attach kettle and then cup. Like this. And at the end I am adding magnet on back side. I have already added B6000 glue with this, and the super cute miniature kettle teacup with the cookies fridge magnet is ready. It's looking absolutely gorgeous. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.